Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore Amazon Textract, a powerful AWS service that extracts text and data from scanned documents automatically. Whether it's a form, receipt, or ID card, Textract helps turn it into structured, usable data. Let's take a closer look. Click on the button that says, Try Amazon Textract. On the left side, you'll see several demos. You can try analyzing a document, an expense report, an ID, or a lending form. You can also upload your own document. Let's look at a sample pay stub. This is an image file, not a PDF. It's a scanned copy. Still, Amazon Textract is able to analyze it automatically. It extracts all the raw text from the image, line by line. You can even see the extracted data on the right. But Textract does more than just read text. It understands the layout of the document. It can find figures, titles, headers, tables, and form fields. For example, in this document, the title Earnings Statement is correctly identified. It also finds tables, like this one with earnings, rate, hours, and pay. All the table rows and values are clearly extracted. Textract also detects forms. It pulls out key value pairs like period ending July 18, 2008, pay date July 25, 2008, SSN, taxable marital status, and more. This is great for understanding complex forms with many fields. You can even switch views to see only the tables. Click on one, and you'll see rows and columns like a spreadsheet, accurately pulled from the image. The same way you can try for other tables. Another cool feature is queries. You can type a question like, what is the year-to-date gross pay? Textract will give you the answer, automatically. Ask, what is the regular pay in this period? And it will respond with the answer. This is powerful because you're getting structured answers from an image. You can also try the expense demo. It extracts vendor details such as vendor name, vendor address, and other header details. Lines items, and prices, very useful for receipt analysis. Lastly, Textract can analyze ID documents. As you can notice, in this demo, a sample Massachusetts driver's license is used. Textract has extracted fields like first name, last name, expiration date, date of birth, date of issue, address, and other fields. Textract knows what to look for and standardizes this information. So that's a tour of Amazon Textract. To summarize, Amazon Textract is a machine learning service from AWS that automatically extracts text, tables, and key value data from scanned documents, images, and PDFs. Unlike traditional OCR, it understands document structure, such as titles, tables, and form fields, and organizes the data accurately. It can also answer natural language queries about the document content and supports analysis of various formats like pay stubs, receipts, and ID cards. Textract helps automate data entry, making document processing faster and smarter. It's a super useful service for automating document processing.